Introduce ourselves. I am John Rene Lamis.
Batak niya na kayo.
So to start, OFW are Filipino workers. Are Filipino workers. Are Filipino workers who work outside the country. They are called modern day heroes because they send money home to support their families in the Philippines. They're open in the Philippines for the better opportunities to provide the needs of their families. And with the help of a former OFW Saba, we're able to understand, realize, and learn what it's like to be in abroad and what challenges they will face in abroad. Or authorities. There are around 2.16 overseas workers. They are the big loan that boosting our country's economy. Their remittance. With around 8.3% of Philippines. They're also more than the rate of Saudi Arabia. Bisa baka iso patungod nga bisan sa kalisod sa iyang package sa iyang kalisod niya naka-check sorry gabay naka-try siya og buwan bless siya pero sa salamat sa pagkada igan so bisan kayo sila kabayani no maka ito gaga ko sila kailangan so lagyan ko sila kailangan tas saka na kailangan maka-bus bitaw maka-bus siya o laing ID kanang sa kanang kailangan makita sa mga tao na hindi ako siya importante para po sa iya para sa iya kayuan sa iya para sa pamilya ko so
Tablak na bisag bubo rin kaya ako. Kasi sa to ekonomiya pa.
Overseas Filipino workers are like Miss Saba work abroad primary financial reasons seeking higher salaries and sustainable income in order to support her family. However, she faced challenges such as homesickness, cultural adjustment, and language barriers and adapting to Europe. Since we all know that there's a lot of OFWs, that we should give our we should respect them because they have different situations, different reasons, different ways in order to provide for their families and to support their families in order to first ato nga as a student, kami yung mga dreams na nalab sa ato ang mga families kaya support sa mga nasa abroad. So that is why we should respect them and show love and care to everyone.
To the universe.
Zakia, you are my guest.